Right now, we're handling just the sales. And we're jobbing out our blades to Newberry, South Carolina, where they are having our turbines actually built in Concordia, Kansas. Now, the panels, the software, and all that is being done here in Easley by Patriot Automation. When we built the prototype, the technology was all the electrical switching gear and circuit breakers and all that were mechanical. Well, that world has changed. All that stuff now is digital. The beauty of it, if something goes wrong here, it can notify me on my cell phone. Everything's plug and play. Before, you had to really send an expert out, knew what they were doing, and so forth.